Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to TSO Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I'm your host Martin, and in this episode we're going to be talking about Bitcoin holding. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell. That way you're going to be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. I'm going to copy them real quick and paste them here. It's weird. It's weird. There's something weird happening. The state of crypto is getting a lot of subscribers for some reason, man. Like, we haven't published anything there for over a month, and it just went insane. Like, no joke. It's gone from, 4,430 subs. Right now, it's sitting at 5,830. It's like, why? How How are we going up over almost over a thousand subs? It's beyond me. I have no clue. I haven't posted anything there, and everything's happening today. So I'm thinking either we're getting a sub attack or bots or something. I'm not sure. It's weird. Ever since the last 10 hours or a day or so, right? It's just been crazy. Getting a lot of subs. It's insane. I can show you that here real quick. You're not gonna be able to see it until I bring down other screen. So let's go to that main screen. Then we'll do our highs and everything. But look at this, guys, right? Look at this. Like, subscribe, right? So a lot of subscribers going in there. I'm not sure why we're getting so many subs. It's just insane. I've been getting WhatsApps non-stop popping in my ears. That's why I was not starting the stream, because it was just like going over and over and over, right? But that's just crazy. Produce Beats, what's up? Jeff Loomis, hi, how's it going? Sakmar, hello. Tristan, hello. Yeah, Crypto Gaming, what's up, my friend? Thank you very much for being here. BL, hi. Tristan, weird, you can get a notification. I'm here, man. Thanks for being here. Produce Beats, Joe, what's up? It's been a while. I know, it's been a while, man. I got a new channel. All right? I guess still gotta go back and put in the old channel. We already talked about that. I just haven't gotten the time. Hopefully I'll do a short video or something and post it up there. I'm still trying to figure out what content I want to put there on the State of Crypto, and the reason why is because it's just I'm not sure if I want to do short videos or static videos or go back to doing just our full-on videos. I'm still debating, right? This channel, I'm trying to grow it. It's gonna become maybe the backup, maybe the other channel is gonna be the backup. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. Tristan says, what's up? It's been green. You're green, but not out of the hole. Oh, you're making better trades, knowing when to wait has been your greatest ally. Yes, you gotta learn how to wait. That is key. Patience. It's a patience game. Trading is a transfer of wealth from the patient to the impatient. See, there you go. They're still popping in. That's crazy, man. Soka, what's up? Yeah, I have this new channel, man. I said in the last video that we're gonna come here. Someone says EGC, sure. Hit a like if you enjoy the community. Yeah, hit the like. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. I had to make a new channel because the other one was shadow banned for some reason. So we had to make a new channel, and I haven't gone around to post a video saying, guys, if you enjoy the content here, come and join us on this channel here. That is part of the reason that I haven't done it yet. I just haven't had time. It's been a while, man. I haven't really given myself the time to sit down and do a short video saying that the content's not going to go live there on that channel. That you guys should come and join me on this channel. I should make something short, maybe 5 minutes. I did want to do like a full-on video saying thanks to everyone that supported the channel there, and edit it. But I think I can just work something short real quick and just post it there. But like I said, I don't want to make it sound as though I'm like really killing off that channel, because I don't know what I want to do with it, right? I haven't figured out what I want to do with it there. I might just do a video saying, yo guys, technicals are going to happen on this channel live. Please go watch them there. And then I got to figure out something that I can place on this other channel, right? So we'll see. We'll see what I can do with that, right? It's just, it's a waiting game. It's been a waiting game, trying to figure out what I want to do with that. Oh, I'm glad you're here, my friend. Thank you very much for joining. Anyways, guys, let's get rolling. Let's get looking at crypto and figure out what is happening, right? What is happening with crypto? I think we're more or less where we were at yesterday. We're not getting a lot of movement, right? So when we were live yesterday, we're more or less around the same area we're at. We had bullish divergence pop, hit that 20. Like we said, it was going to be a target. Moving back down, that's fine. We're slightly rejecting it. We're still not done with the move. We still have a lot of hours to go today, 20 hours and 41 minutes. We can still get it above that 20. And if we do, we should be targeting 2.65 trillion. I mean, rejection that area, should be looking for that 382. Sorry, 236. 232 is farther down. So 236 is where it should be aiming at $2.50 trillion. Right now, sitting at 2.56, right? Not really going up to hitting that 2.65, but that should be our next target if we do get above that 20, right? Is there a resistance line? We could say there was a resistance line. There could be two resistance lines that we could look at. First one would be this one, which we are basically closing below, and right now we'll be confirming rejection, right? That's the one I like right now. The other one is coming from way up here, but it's going to give us different anchoring points, right? The reason for that is it's going to make us shoot farther out, right? That means that we're not rejecting it and we're not hitting it yet. Wow, I'm getting so many subs in that channel, man. I'm going to pause alerts, and we'll see. You give a super chat, but you don't have that feature yet. I know. It's all good, man. We need to get to 1,000 subs so we can enable super chat. So we need to get this channel to grow. We're neutral at 48.85. With that, I mean, we do have that resistance line. What I'm gonna do is put it in blue, right? That's the line that we gotta break. If we break above this line, and here I don't really care too much about the color. We just look at total market cap on the daily. So sorry about the time frame, right? I don't care too much about the time frame and things going to other time frames. I just care about color and thing here mainly, just so we can keep a track of what we're looking at. So anyways, resistance line. We need to get above that line if we want to go on bullish, short-term bullish. So maybe that 2.65 trillion, and then maybe try to get above that area. Let's go check out Bitcoin. Different four says big money, man. Bitcoin, right? We had that same line. We're breaking above it. We broke yesterday. Right now we're coming back into it. That's fine. We're more or less where we were at yesterday when we were doing the stream. Again, we're like almost negative or slightly positive or right at zero. So we're back at the same level. Not really happening in the last 24 hours. Pumped, come back down. We had bullish divergence. We still could run on that. Backtesting that blue line is going to be strong. So if we backtest this blue line and bounce from it, strong move. Otherwise, there's really not a lot else developing. Neutral at 45.88. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, what are we looking at, man? Oh, Mike's in the chat. There we go. On the 4-hour, what are we looking at? On the 4-hour, we had bearish divergence, right? So we got our moving down. We hadn't created anything bullish. We started to rally. That was fine. Now we're starting to create some hidden divergence here. We didn't have it yesterday, remember? We had it on the other charts. And part of the reason that we looked at the other Bitcoin charts was because we have gaps on this chart, right? And gaps give us bad reads on the momentum islands. And in general, right? So that's why we've been looking at the other charts. So here we go. Hidden bearish, potential for moving down, starting to stagnate, neutral, 56.72, pointing down. That means we should still be looking for some action downside. Right now, we should be neutral. Impulse up, upsloping consolidation, not good. That tends to break down, right? So watch out for that potential moving down. Like I said on the daily, we can still try to go and hit this target here and then try to bounce from it, right? Try to bounce from here and try to go back higher. If we do break that blue line below it again, we have not yet confirmed closing outside of it. We did close yesterday. We haven't confirmed outside of it today. Today, we need to close above that blue line for us to confirm. Otherwise, we could still be looking for a rejection or a movement below that line. So we should be targeting 55,406 if we do break below the blue line. All right, so let's go over to this chart here real quick. And let's go here on the 4-hour. And yesterday, we already starting to see this divergence develop, right? So we knew we were going to put stall in the price. Maybe a movement down. We did get a movement down, right? Look, move down slightly. Try to recover. Guess what? We're still holding on to that divergence, right? It's just going there. That's just tracking to there. And with that, the potential for a moving down. And we're getting our small moving down. Not really a lot, but moving down nonetheless. We are neutral, 56.84, pointing down a bit here, right? So 4-hour chart covered. Let's keep rolling, right? It's all good, guys. I mean, I usually don't push donation links, but if anyone wants to give a donation, y'all can just send it via the links that we had on the other video, on the other channel. I think the mods have those links. I don't have them on hand right now. If any of the mods are here and they want to post the links for donations, you guys can donate there. It'll be either through PayPal or through crypto. If you donate through OneUpCoin or PayPal, I would receive them, and then you would see the message pop up here. If you just go to Coin3, we're not going to see it, but I will get your kind donation. That'll be awesome. Otherwise, yeah, there's no super chat. So the only way you can help the channel is by donating either fiat on PayPal or crypto through OneUpCoin, and either of those work, and they're always appreciated. But again, I usually don't like to talk much about donations, right? That has to come from you guys, not me. So I don't push for them. If you guys believe the content that we produce here is of value, then I mean, it's always welcome. But other than that, you know, it's all good. Let's get this going here, right? Hidden divergence, hidden bullish there. Potential for moving up. We should be going for that 20 moving average. We still have not gotten the move. We could still drop a little bit more and still hold on to that divergence. Guess what happened here in daily? We had the bullish yesterday, right? We had the bullish. We talked about the moving up, how great it was. We didn't have anything going on yesterday. Guess what happened today? Right around midday, trading that strong bearish divergence, right? I did see this today, by the way. I did see it today. I didn't talk about it and draw it, but you know, it was a heavy day today. I had about a week's backlog of work I'm still getting through. So, yeah, I'm not sure what that is, man. I think the mods have it pinned I might be able to track it here on the pinned section. All right, I think these are the chats, but I think those are the things you can check out. I think they're gonna go out here in a second. Yeah, there you go. At least they went out on Twitch, and they should be going on YouTube here shortly as well. If they don't, I'll just post them here. Found this up. There you go. So there's the links, right? You can see PayPal or one up coin. Those would be crypto donations, and then the other one's fiat. So again, either work. Hidden divergence. Neutral at 49.86, right? Not bad. Moving slightly down. Right? Jasmine, sure. I think there was a pre-stream request. No, there was no pre-stream request. There was a request prior to that one. So we're going to go with the queue, right? So, Bitcoin, potential for moving up. We had the strong bearish divergence moving down. Hidden bullish is going to try to get us to rally again. Guess what? We also had hidden bullish we have here. We also had hidden bullish here, right? So, back here. So these things help us rally. And right now we're creating this hidden bullish here, which should help us rally a little bit more. Neutral, 49.23, right? That's it. Bitcoin should be looking for stagnation, maybe moving up, hitting that 20 moving average before we try to reject or see what we're going to do, right? Market is feeling bullish. We're starting to pump a little bit. We should be looking for maybe a little bit more action to the upside here. On that note, let's go and check out Ethereum. Right. Ethereum on the daily, right? We have that resistance line that we drew yesterday. And as you can look at it, we're getting the same thing that we're getting with market cap. We're hitting that target, but we're not really confirming being outside of it yet. So we need to break above that blue line, right? Break above that blue line is going to be beautiful. Above that target, we should be aiming for the 1618, and that's going to be at 4,702, right? That's our target on Ethereum. Again, if we look at what's happening here on Ethereum on the other charts, right? We have the cupwood handle. We came back down to test that lip. It looks as though we want to bounce. So target is still valid for us at the 1618 and then slightly above at 5,300, right? 5,296. So we still have good targets to the upside. Now I'm going to go to this Ethereum chart here. And the reason that I want to go to this Ethereum chart is because we haven't done new fibs and I want to get new fibs for this. So first, I want to see if we did a valid retrace, which we did from low to high retrace to at 382. And we're holding it, which is a good target. And then I'm going to go to another Ethereum chart. This one has a lot more data. It's an old chart. This is an old chart. So the only reason I'm looking at this chart is I want to get more targets to the upside, right? Some better targets to the upside, shorter term targets to the upside. So I'll put the 1618 at 5,300, right? So that kind of, it's not going to match exactly, but it's going to kind of match where we're looking at here, 5,200. So we have two targets now to the upside that are very valid for Ethereum, right? So nice stuff here. Nothing happening here that is bullish. Neutral at 53.38. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, bearish divergence, right? Move this down. Nothing bullish. Talked about this yesterday. Now we're creating some hidden bearish, I think. Yep, very likely. Yeah. It's here. Look. A high point to a lower point. And then from here to here. And from here to slightly higher. So, yeah. Slightly lower, that's fine. We are bought at 64.85 with that. Just a chance that we might be looking for a moving down, just in the fact that we're bought and we have that hidden divergence. How strong of a move? Right now, I'm not sure. It looks as though crypto's trying to rally right after Friday's sell-off. So we're doing okay. Not real worried about it. We're looking for that recovery. We already talked about this when we did Bitcoin, how it has behaved over the last couple of Thanksgiving, the movements that we have seen in the market, and the kind of recovery that we've gotten afterwards. So not really worried about it right now. 1-hour chart, strong bearish divergence. Look at this. It's building. We didn't have it yesterday. We're developing it today. All the way from here to here. Strong bearish. Right? Watch out for that. It has the potential to move us down. We could be looking for a moving down. I know. What are we going to do? Well, you know what we're going to do. We're going to be prepared for it. If we do move down, we have targets. Primary target. I think it's a 1618 that we're looking at here. No. Yeah. Maybe. No, it's a resistance line. All right. So we have a resistance line at 4,450, which comes from way over here, right? A rejection line that we have. We don't have a lot of history at this level. So it's good that we have this line. So we're going to have support there at 4,450. Then below there, 4,192. Here, last time we just broke through it. It's been more a resistance, right? Look, resistance here, spot on. Support here briefly. Here we just broke through it like it was nothing. Here we pumped through it like it was nothing. we kind of rejected it. So it could be a support at 4,192, but we seem to be blurring it. It seems that we're like not really paying attention to it right now. So again, if we do move down, depending on how strong we move, could be looking for a bounce at the 20, but also 4,442, sorry. 4,442 will be our target. On the daily, breaking below that area again. Next target, the 20 moving average. That'll be at 4,364, right? So those are supports for us on a moving down on Ethereum. Now, there were requests here on the pre-stream. Someone said EGC, so Soka said EGC. We're going to look at that real quick. I think EGC, we had to look at on DEX tools. So EGC, let's see how this is doing, man. We haven't looked at it in a while. We have looked at this before, though, just not in a while, right? So I need to wait for it to load. It's going to take it a little bit. Come on, you can do it. Load up. All right, so we had left fibs for this. We're looking at some kind of downsloping consolidation that we broke to the upside, wicked all the way up to the top. That was fine. Move completed. We're somewhere around here looking for fibs. I can't remember when we looked at this last, but what we can tell is that we're below this old support line that now is becoming a resistance, right? That blue line, look at it. Right, so that blue line is now becoming a resistance. We rejected it once, that's fine. We're also bouncing at that 786, so we're doing a deep retrace, right? Not looking too pretty right now. We have some strong bullish divergence developing, right? And that move comes from here to here and from here to here on the daily, right? So just keep your eye out for that move. It could bring some nice movement to the upside as we're getting it near support. However, I'm not real familiar with the project. I know it's supposed to be okay, but we'll see. Coming lower, more negative momentum, right? Lower, what are we at here? It all reads as 0, so I need some in. All right, sideways. All right, so the lowest point will be here. This all negative momentum, right? This all negative momentum. So from the lowest point on the negative momentum to the lowest point right now here on the 4-hour. And let's see where we're at here, man. Yeah, that divergence is there, man. It's strong bullish. It's just taking forever to build. Now, what I'm going to try to do here is leave this here on the 4-hour chart. Make sure it's not going to go to the 1 hour. Kind of like the fact that it's already off the daily. It just helps me, like, with the cleanup. Here we go. We don't have that divergence on the RSI. It's just against the MACD. It's strong bullish. There's a possibility for action to upside. We're starting to get that bounce after hitting slightly below that 786 retracement, right? It's okay. Target to the upside will be that 618. And that's going to put it at around 5 zeros and then 112. Right? So 5 zeros and then 112 cents. Let's go here on the 1 hour chart and see what we have. So low, lower, negative, more negative, and low, and slightly lower. So that's about it. Nothing wrong with that. I mean, geez, we were creating some bullish divergence here, I think, from here to here. All right, on the 1 hour. So we're just gonna leave that there on the 1 hour. Make sure it's clear, and then in this move, light, negative, less. Right, it's all good. Strong bullish potential for moving up. We're not quite getting that move here. Short term, low, lower, more negative, and low on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. There's really nothing bullish in the short term for us to be getting this bounce. We do have, however, like we said, in the 4 hour and the daily, bullish divergence strong, and that could be what's driving the market up, right? So we're starting to get that bounce happening. Not bad here on this project. Again, I think it's really cheap. It's like 5 zeros and then 7.5, I think, or 6 zeros and 7.5. It's not really giving me the full read here on the number. Maybe if I go to the hour, it would give me the read. I'm not sure. Can't tell how many zeros there are. It's just a couple dots and then zeros, right? So we're gonna that's what we have for it, man. I mean, really not a lot, Soka. We'll see. Go back to trading view. And then there was a request for Jasmine. Jasmine! Right on. Jasmine, what's happening? On the daily, it's sitting at 16 cents, 16.6 cents. All right. So we have looked at this a while back. We were looking for a retrace. That's fine. We were hitting our 786. Look, we're getting the same bounce. That's good, man. We just haven't looked at this in a while. I don't think we had anything on the daily for us to do technical stuff. Do you want to do that? I want to get my Fib tool. Here we go. Fibonacci. There we go. Right on. So we're sitting at that 50% retrace. Look at this. Beautiful, man. From the lowest point here to the highest point here, getting our valid retrace at 618, bouncing, hitting that 236, and coming back down and heading to a 50% retrace. Not bad. Right? If you ask me, we're hitting spot on targets. We're slightly below that 50% right now. It's not bad, 16.62 cents. Really not a lot we can do here on the daily. We're neutral at 49.03. So let's go to that 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, low to high, positive or positive, higher still. There's really nothing here that was bearish. So what I'm looking for right now is bullishness. And I think we do have some strong developing here. I believe we're going to find it here on this point. The reason why I say I believe is that I need to confirm here on the MACD that we have it, and we do. And the MACD sometimes looks weird. We're about to get across the MACD over the signal line. That could be a strong driver for us to start getting that positive momentum, right? That positive momentum could come with spikes in price. We do know that this crosses sometimes on the MACD, brings strong price action. How do we know? We usually look at the 200 moving average and we look at where we're at with regards to it. So what we do here, we'll bring this up, bring that 200 moving average and see where we're at. We're slightly below it. We're slightly below it. MACD strategy would not be triggering an entry. Why am I saying that, right? Well, the reason is MACD strategy tells us that we need to be above that 200 moving average and get across the MACD over the signal line, being below the 0 line here on the histogram, right? So below the 0 line here. And that would tell us that we're looking for an entry. However, we don't have that right now. We're here, right? But that driver move could get us to that 20 and try to get above. If we do get above that 20, we could be looking for a takeoff from there and still go higher. So Jasmine's not looking too bad, particularly if we do get this cross. It's not crossing yet, right? They're really close. They're really close. Sorry, it's my head there. All right. There we go. And just really close, but they're not touching it. So, anyways. Neutral, 43.45. That is it for this. Right? That is it for here on Jasmine on the 4-hour. We don't have anything else bearish developing, so we should be waiting for something to happen here. We're getting consolidation, right? And on the larger move, we're also getting consolidation. Let's bring this back to the to a 20 moving average. Ooh, 5-0. Right, so tightness of the Bollinger Band's coming in. We could be looking for an explosive move to happen, and that could lead us to where we try to pump to the upside. Now, moving down and rejecting, getting above this 50% retrace could get us to where we're targeting that 618, and that would put us way back here at 14.05 cents. It's not a big move. It is still a sizable drop, though. From 16 cents to 14 cents, it is a big hit. We're looking at around a little bit over 10%. So, yeah, 16%. Not bad. Yeah, we can look at that. Produce beats, no worries. So let's go here in the 1 hour. Right, so on the 1 hour chart, what do we have? What do we have here? I need to zoom in. 2 zeros and then 1248. So I'm looking at the digit there. 2 zeros, 1248. 2 zeros, 12, 13, 12, 10. So 48, 10, high to low. High to low. High to low. So nothing bearish. Right on. We did have bullish divergence. Right, look at this bullish divergence here. My goodness. We had bullish divergence and it didn't play us to the upside with strength. So we might still be developing bullish divergence. I'm going to have to check that here in a second. Strong bullish, should be looking for action to the upside. We didn't quite get it. All right. So low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. So nothing bullish right now. Nothing bearish on the horizon. We're consolidating. That's okay. That bullish divergence fell into play. Now what can happen? We still have, last thing we have here is that strong bullish divergence. So if it fails to play, right? If this fails to drop us lower than this previous low here, we can still be looking for continuation of this bullishness and try to bump back up, right? So that'll be what I will be looking at here on Jasmine. Wait and see if it drops more. If it drops more, right? As soon as it drops more, we're going to start creating that strong bullish divergence here, right? We're going to go from here to here. And from somewhere over here to, you know, somewhere around here maybe, and have strong bullish divergence developing, and that could be another reason that we might move to the upside in Jasmine. So would not be weird if we get more divergence, right? That also could get us to where we create more bullish divergence here by going slightly lower, more negative on the 4 hour, coming in with less negative momentum here on the MACD, and with that again, like I said, strong bullish divergence, and that should again be looking for moving up here on Jasmine. All right, so up next, FX to the dollar. All right, so we're gonna go with Coinbase. Usually, by the way, I'm not looking at coins that are below top 200, right? I haven't said that today. I'm not even sure where this coin lands. It's probably okay. I was trying to look at the ranking. I couldn't see it. So where is it ranked? 153. All right, so we're safe. We're safe. We're above that 200. Let's go check out FX here at $1.27. Ooh. All right, so it's taking a pump over the last couple hours. Very nice pump yesterday, 37%. Not a lot of history, but, right? So things happen. Bullish divergence strong. First thing I'm noticing. Strong bullish divergence. Again, that nice rally. Starting to consolidate right now. We did get a lot of pullback. Right? That is normal. That is to be expected. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to ignore this here as data. Reason is I'm not sure if this was legit on the opening, but what I can do is come from here to here and use this as fibs and try to see where we go, right? So we are rejecting that first 100% high. We're sitting in holding support at 618, so it does make sense where I fibbed it. All right. It makes sense where we're balancing the range we're running. So I was sitting at $1.27. Not a bad move. Let's look at this 4-hour chart. So this basically just got listed a couple days ago. Right. Was there bullish divergence here though, right? Let's check it. I have to hide the volume here. Try to make this look better. I mean, this spike skews the chart, so it's not looking as pretty, right? Low, slightly higher, negative, less, negative, low to high. There's really not a lot going on here. That is bearish, right? High to low, low to high, positive, less positive, more positive. High, low, high, right? So it's the same move. Nothing bearish. Now we're looking for bullish, low, lower, more negative, and lower still. So nothing bullish, nothing bearish, man. At least not on the 4-hour. We're not getting cleared. I guess why this is pumping lately. Let's go here. Let's zoom in here. All right, so less negative, and then here on the price, I need to skew. See how quickly it just skews, right? Boom. Here we go. Clean and clear. So low, then high, right? So less negative. Here we had some bullish divergence back here. It's just small though. It's tiny, but it's there and it's strong bullish, and that could give us a reason that we should look for potential moving up, right? It's strong bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Strong bullish, and that's when we started to get a rally, right? Boom, rally coming in. Something happened here. Something must have happened around 9 in the morning when we got our spike. Not sure if there was news for this getting listed in an exchange. Something like that would definitely help. I'm not familiar with what's happening with FX, but it's getting a nice rally anyway. Starting to flag consolidation, right? It looks like a pretty good looking triangle. How do you know it looks like a triangle? Oh, it looks like a triangle. Let's get the triangle tool here. Go boom, boom. And then go like this, right? There we go. Boom, 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 right? This will be our lower support line. This will be our upper resistance line. As you can tell, we're consolidating into what looks to be a flag. If we zoom out, we have our nice pull and then a flag formation. That usually brings continuation. So this would at least be going for a measure move off of the flag part. And that would be whenever we break, maybe getting up to that area. And in a best case scenario, it could give us a move off the pull. So if we go with the pull, that should be close enough. Depending on when we break, we could be targeting the $1.94. Anywhere between those areas would be a good target, particularly a shorter one. I would be playing the shorter one first. We might create some strong. We are going to create strong bearish divergence as soon as we hit that, right? We're going to be coming higher. We're coming from positive to negative, and then from high point to a lower point, and that's going to bring us down again. So target the first move off the. So you're gonna get this to play, maybe the pull, right? Maybe the flag formation, right? That move first, because you're gonna create divergence immediately. It's gonna put pressure. Now you're about to start making negative momentum here, right? You're about to get across the MACD under signal line. We're getting it right now, and depending on how we move here, we might create some hidden divergence. Any move here, that 50% retrace, that 382, right? Any moves to that area, it's gonna be getting us low to high, then negative, and then more negative, right? So. We're going to negate this divergence really quick by creating hidden bullish, and that could give us continuation. When that happens, what's going to happen here, this might shift. Instead of being a triangle, we might be looking at either a falling channel or a falling wedge, and that would give us down sloping consolidation, and that could bring potential movement to the upside, right? So again, right now, pattern's still developing. We're looking at right now at the triangle that with the information that we have on hand is the only thing we can infer from this, right? So neutral at 6.50 pointing down. So looking for potential moving down. There's really nothing else happening right now, right? That's about it for FX. Not bad looking. Very, very nice bull here. Let's go check out real quick HNT. Let's see how HNT is doing. HNT at $39. All right. Had the bullish divergence. Pop on that. Very nice move there. Nothing here that is bearish. Sold at, neutral. 41. 183. Pull back up a little bit. Let's go here on the 4 hour. Did we create bullish divergence here? Oh, yeah. We created some bullish divergence afterwards. So look at this move here. When we finished the move yesterday, or the stream yesterday, we created and confirmed this divergence, right? Not here. Here. There we go. All right, so strong bullish potential for moving up. Starting to get a rally, right? Here on daily, had that hidden divergence. We're still tracking that hidden divergence there, man. I mean, it's not shaking off. It's still there, very present. So potential stagnation. Maybe try to get back above that 2618 would be a nice target. Here on the 4 hour, again, strong bullish. If we fail to drop lower than this previous low, we could be looking for a moving up. And then, although it's not going to be the prettiest looking, right? It's not going to be the prettiest looking by all means, but we could start to look at what could look, like a head and shoulders, right? What? Oh, I know what I did. I want to hit these lines here. Let's get rid of it. There we go. All right, so shoulder, head, and shoulder, right? This is what I could be looking at right now. Oh, snap. Not that. I want to get rid of this other. There we go. Here we go. All right, so potential head and shoulders. Starting to form here on the 1 hour, or sorry, on the 4 hour. Would not be a bad move for this, right? Yeah, you're welcome, my friend. Thank you very much for coming in. So again, shoulder, head, shoulder, right? Here we can also appreciate it. Close to that other shoulder. It's very nice looking. And then daily, we're still cool. Yeah. So again, that'll be here for HNT, man. HNT. I'm surprised. I'm still surprised that we're getting so many people subscribing to. Holy smokes, we're at 6,000 subs at the State of Crypto. Why are we getting so many subs, man? I haven't posted anything there for days. Over 2 months almost. Jeez, that's crazy. It's freaking crazy. It's nuts, dude. It is nuts. That is insane. No joke. Look. 6,000. We're at like 4,400 and change. For some reason, we're in like 4,000 subs. That's like 2,000 subs. That's insane. That is just nuts. That is just nuts, man. I'm not sure why. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the content here, make sure you hit the like, the bell, the sub, right? Make sure you join us on the Discord. Those things are important. That's how you keep in touch with me. If you want to engage with me, do this on the Discord. Do this on Twitter, right? Links to Twitter. It's at the State of Crypto 1. They're in the description. I haven't uploaded the graphics, so we can send it here. But real quick, let's go. And we haven't done this today, but let's go check out the chat. So what is happening with the chat? Okay, had the Rockets 101. Jake, why you said 101, dude? I don't get it. I think that's it. That's the last thing we had. So right on, right on. Not a lot happening on the chat. Slow day for chat. Guys, if you enjoyed the content, type 1. If you don't enjoy the content, type 2. Hope you all enjoy the content. So, you know. Also, do those things. Like bell song. Yep, that's about it. Let's keep rolling. What else are we going to look at, man? What else are we going to look at? Wow, what? It's nuts. Yeah, what else are we gonna do, man? Frisbeat says 1. Alright. Thank you guys for joining and enjoying the content. We've been live for about 40 minutes. 40 minutes. We're giving the streams about 45 minutes or so, so we have 5 more minutes to go. Not that I want to keep them at a certain time, but you know, it makes it easier for you guys to watch and review the content afterward. I need to figure out what I want to do with the other chat. So I'll figure something. Right? Figure something. So, how you guys' weekend so far? How you guys' week so far? How's it starting, man? Did you partake on the sale of the weekend? Did you buy low on Friday and then recover through Saturday and Sunday, or did you get scared and not buy? Let me know on the chat. Did you buy? Did you not buy? I think I might have asked that yesterday, but dude, today was not bad for crypto, right? Deal with the corn. Right now, it's starting to go down for tomorrow, but recovery Saturday, recovery Sunday, right? Look, we're almost hitting that target. Right on. Not bad, not bad. Waiting for you guys to comment and tell me when you took advantage of this Thanksgiving sale that we had on crypto, right? Isn't it crazy? Every year we get like a Thanksgiving sale, at least for the past 5 years. So got a few dips. Ooh, crypto gaming dipped. When I dip, you dip, we dip, right? Isn't that how the song goes? So we all dip, right? Nothing big. That's fine, man. Dipping is dipping, right? Dipping is dipping. Don't matter if you dip a lot or a little bit, man. It's all about adding to your position at key areas of value, right? That's it. That's what trading's about. Selling, buying, adding to your position, selling again. What about SHIB? Well, what about SHIB, dude? I haven't looked at it. We can go check it out. It's a pumping hard, is it? It's a pumping hard. Let's go check it. Yeah, it's a pumping. It's a pumping. The SHIB's a pumping. Hidden divergence. Strong bullish divergence. Strong bullish divergence. What? It's a sorcery. Strong bullish. All right, there we go. Strong bullish in that reaction to the upside. Very, very nice. Well, how much we pumped? 15% yesterday, 8% today. It's all good. Neutral 54.02. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. All right, sorry, on the daily. Sorry, did I forget something here? Nothing bearish. It's all good. About to get across the MACD over the signal line. Are we above that 200 moving average line? We are. That would be a good entry. Right? If we do get that cross, this could be a very good entry. According to MACD strategy, Le MACD strategy, we should be looking for an in. That's what MACD strategy usually says. Well, let's bring this back to the 20 moving average. Sorry, the 20 moving average. SHIB is getting listed on the Kraken tomorrow. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Anyways, let's go check here, man. Do we have something bullish? Yes, we created something bullish here as well. Oh my god, we haven't looked at here in a while. Last thing we had was that hidden bearish that dropped us down. So strong bullish. Right? Look at this. Boom, boom. And this, what I'm going to do is send it back to the daily. It shouldn't be here. There we go. And here we also had that bullish. Oh no. Strong bullish. Action to the upside, right? Going higher, more positive, and higher still. Nothing here that is bearish. Overbought at 75.41. That could be a reason for us to start looking at stagnation. We're going too high too fast. Watch out for that. Usually comes with breaks downs. 1 hour chart going higher, more positive, higher still. Also here, look, higher and higher and higher. So even against the RSI, still going higher. So nothing here that is bearish, pumping 7% on this 1 hour candle. Insanity. Insanity for the SHIB. Anyways, overbought. The last thing we had here was this bullish divergence. Here is barely there, man. Strong bullish. Hey, 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 man. It's a bullish. If we bullish, we like. High five. Here we go. So we're going to try type here bullish. Right, bullish. I'm kidding. I'm not going to type bullish. Right, so SHIB's not looking bad, but we already know what's pumping, right? Someone said it's getting Producer Beat says it's getting listed. Right on. So up next, you know what? We should look at Mana. How's Mana? $4.71. Oh, it took a dive. It took a dip. It's dipping for the second day in a row. Oh my goodness. It's still fine. It's still flagging. It's consolidating up here after having strong bearish divergence bought at 62.84. Not a lot going on here. 4 hour chart. Had the hidden bullish. Oh, we pumped a little bit. Nothing bearish developing. We're just flagging, consolidating. As you can see here, this would be a what looks to be like a wedge for now. Or sorry, not a wedge. A triangle. Oh, never mind, a wedge. Yeah, like that. Boom. So wedge. We're wedging. Right? So not a lot happening though. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Lower, more negative, lower still than nothing here. Higher, higher, and higher. So nothing here, man. Not a lot going on right now. At least not to this 1 hour candle. So we gotta wait for it to develop something. That's it for mana. What else? Sand? Is Sand doing good? Oh, by the way, guys, do you hear that Jack Dorsey stepping down from Twitter? Ain't that crazy? Was there what? You guys hear that? Jack Dorsey stepping down from Twitter. Type 1 if you did. Type 2 if you didn't. Right? Yeah, that's freaking weird, right? Like, he's the CEO. He's stepping down. He's not even staying on the board. He just said, no, this has to do its own thing. It has to run its own course. I'm stepping down. Period. Man, geez. Stepping down from a multi-million-dollar company. It's insane. But, you know, he has to open game for new generations, new technologies, and things to happen, so. Yeah, I'm intrigued to see what he's going to do. Is he just going to retire and go live on an island forever and ever and ever? Right, strong bearish happening here. Trying to move down on that. So we don't see how we can keep on consolidating here. Moving down for a second there in a row. Bought it, 69.68. Had strong bearish divergence while being overbought. Moving down, right? Also, Sand's going to be running an alpha contest or something like that. Where you can get your, like an alpha ticket, I guess, to play. And if you do that, then you can, like, I think, earn some Sand. I still need to look into it, but I think they're running a contest. I posted my avatar for that game and see if I can win something. We'll see. Anyways, look at this. Hidden divergence, pumping on that. High to low, positive, high to low, nothing here. Again, below that 20 briefly, neutral at 50.01. It's not a lot going on here in Sand. Consolidation, right? What we're looking at with mana, right? Something similar, slightly lower here. Strong bullish divergence from the 1 hour. The Sand alpha is up. You have to own Sand NFT to play though. Yeah, I have no Sand NFT. And I think it's going insanely high right now because Sand is like quite expensive, I think. And you can get up to like 1,000 Sand from running quests. So if it's at $7, then, you know, $6.83, those 1,000 Sands would be like $6,000. It's crazy, dude. It kind of makes me wonder why I never bought Sand. Maybe it felt like it was too loose. Not sure. Never got into the project. Anyways, potential for moving up on strong bullish divergence. If that develops and matures, we should be looking for moving up. Potential to a 20 moving average, $7.15. We get above that target. Yeah, previous all-time high or previous high here. Not all-time high, the previous high here. Immediate high. $7.81 will be a pretty good target. Right? What I'm going to do here is going to come back here and use my ray function. Horizontal ray. Let's do right around there, right? Look, going back up, hitting that target and rejecting. So we know we're going to have resistance around $7.86. Someone said block. I can do it quickly though. Blocktopia. I am Blocktopia. I'm not sure what Blocktopia is. Look at that, moving up. Here's 100% high, coming back down. All right, cool. Bearish divergence. First thing I'm noticing, we're coming up slightly higher from that previous high. High closing, right? Not high, all-time high, but high closing. Bearish divergence strong. Potential for moving down. Start to move down on that. We could be going for that 786 at 12 cents. Right now, sitting at around 13 cents, 13.42. And then moving up, we're looking at 13.74. Getting above that target. Could be aiming for that 1618 at 17.90. For our chart. High to low, positive, high to low. Low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish here, right? Nice double bottom looking thing here. Usually double bottoms are at the bottom of a trend, right? You should be coming down for it to make it the bottom. So it's kind of weird to see a kind of looking double bottom here. So, you know, I'll be careful with this. I'm not sure I want to call it a double bottom, but it's kind of there. Let's go to the 1 hour. Blocktopia is a metaverse coin. It's got partnerships with AVAX, Matic, and Sol. Cool. That's actually pretty cool. I'm not sure what the fair value for this project would be. I mean, it's partnering with other projects, I guess, but I'm not sure what its fair value would be. 67.43 and 67.72, slightly higher here on the RSI. So against the MACD, we have hit strong bearish average. With that, the possibility for moving down, we're going back down, hitting our 20 moving average. Guess what? On that move, on that mighty move to that 20, which we want to hit here and found support and pump, we're creating, look at this, hidden bullish divergence for potential movement back up, maybe stagnation. Try to stay above that 20, try to go back to that previous 100% high here at 13.76, and then above there we would have this previous high at 14.06. So those would be good targets here for block. Something I forgot to mention on Bitcoin. There's something I forgot to mention on Bitcoin. Look at this. We had our movement up. We're consolidating. We consolidated for a bit, hit that 20 moving average, and look at what happened afterwards. Pop, right? So we got our 20 moving average hit here on Bitcoin. Not bad. Anyways, guys, we've been live for about 51 minutes. It's not bad. It's not bad timing, but it is 10 p.m. I need to get going. Gonna keep it short for today. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming in. Again, if you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like, you hit the bell, you hit the sub, right? Join us on the Discord. Links have gone up. Remember, all the information that we're providing here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. It's not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please help us by retweeting our tweets, spreading word about the channel with your, viewers, communities, whatever. We want to grow. We want to get this channel growing again, and getting over 1,000 subs is definitely going to be our target. Right now, I think we're hitting at 101 subs, which is not bad. Really enjoying that. Thank you guys for being here again. That's going to be all for tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.